are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Global technology leader Xiaomi today announced the release of Mi 11 in the Philippines during a local online live stream earlier today. The latest flagship in its popular Mi smartphone lineup is truly a premium device, debuting with some groundbreaking improvements over its predecessor, including a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, 108-megapixel triple rear camera, cinematic audio, and 50-watt wireless charging. From March 13th, Mi 11 will be available for purchase at an amazing price of $36,990 for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. At the same time, Xiaomi launched two new ecosystem products in the Philippines, Mi Vacuum Cleaner G10 and Mi Electric Scooter Pro de Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition. Simplicity meets convenience with its super-resolution technology, which upgrades low-resolution videos to WQHD plus quality without the worry of increased data consumption. Furthermore, Mi 11 delivers supreme cinematic audio, touting Harman Kardon professionally tuned dual speakers. Visit our website to learn more.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.